Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to blur home on Google Maps. So, at first we have to enter our location on the street view. So let me enter this street, for example. I have my phone recently lagging, so don't really matter. And here, as you can see, we are now on the street view. So, for example, I want to mark this house as mine and blur it. It's just a normal house, don't really think about that. Here we have to tap the three dots in the top right corner and now report a problem. Here, as you can see, directed us to some website from Google Maps, and here we can zoom it in. And now, as you can see, image preview adjusts the view of image so that it is focused on the part of the image you are recording. For example, we want to do this. And now, the most important thing, the blurring your house is the permanent process. So remember to doing it only when you really want that. Apart from that, the most important thing too is that your phone, your location must be yours. So for example, if you want to blur your house, this house has to be yours. Here, as you can see, we have request blurring. What would you like to blur? My home. We have to type my home. Here we have the certification. I certify that I have the authority to request the blurring of this property because I am the owner or tenant. I also understand that this blurring is irreversible and can be undone. I have to check that. And here we can include additional information that this house is really ours. Here we can scroll down and enter email address. And this is the whole process. Then you have to just submit. But remember that you have to be the owner of the house, and this is an irreversible process. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.